SEM, or search engine marketing. Millions of people go on Google or other search engine to look for information daily, and millions of businesses are in high competition to appear on search engine first page. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel here, and I'm excited as usual to have you back on the channel. I hope you are doing great today. Today we're going to be looking at search engine marketing. What is it and how can you use it for your business? If you are here to subscribe to the channel, go ahead, click on that subscribe button. Remember to like and share the video, and of course, let's go deep into today's topic: search engine marketing. So what is it? It's simply everything you do to be able to appear on the first page of search results. That means it includes everything you do as an organic and paid. That means SEO is part of SEM, as SEO plus paid advertising, what we call PPC, pay per click. So that is what is called SEM. So everything a business does to be able to appear on the first page of search engine results is what is called SEM. So when you optimize your website for a particular keyword using SEO, of course, to be able to appear on first page, or you pay money to search engine to be able to appear on first page, all of them put together is called SEM. Okay? Now, when you talk about SEM or search engine marketing, there are some keywords, there are some things you need to know. Number one is what is called bidding. Now, the way it works is that when you want to pay search engine to be able to appear on search results, you are going to pay money to them based on a particular keyword. That means you are bidding on a particular keyword. Let's say, for instance, you are bidding on the keyword email marketing software, for instance. Now, when you type that word email marketing software on the search engine, you are going to see various ads. You're going to see several websites advertising, and of course you see AD in front of them showing that they are ads. All of them are struggling to be able to show themselves to the user who is looking for that, who has typed that keyword. Now you can see that there is somebody on the first, there's somebody on the second and third, and just like that before you get to the organic results. Now those people who appear there bidded for that keyword. They paid Google some money to be able to appear there, and the money they pay to Google is based on the amount they agreed to pay per click. They bidded, is bidding. So you say this is the amount I'm able to pay for a particular click. The other person will say I'm able to pay this amount. Now Google is going to show the person who paid the highest amount on top. So if you see the person who is number one with AD in front, that means the person paid the highest money to be able to appear there, right? So there is bidding to be done, and people appear based on how much you have paid per click. All right. So another thing you need to note is that there's also what is called the quality score. Quality score is simply what Google uses to determine if your ad is relevant to the user. Because sometimes you can bid for a particular keyword, but what you have inside the ad is not relevant to what the user is looking for. So Google uses what is called quality score to be able to determine that. What does Google consider? Number one, they consider what is called click-through rate, right? When people see your ad and they click on it, what is the number of people that saw the ad and how many of them clicked through the ad to see what you have inside, right? Number two is what is called quality of your landing page. Your landing page is where people go to when they click your ad. When you see an ad and you click on it, the particular page where the user lands is called the landing page. Now, the quality of the landing page, Google will determine the content, the information you have on the landing page. Does it correspond? Does it have any connection with the keyword you have bidded for? right? So all this Google consider, and again, Google also consider the overall quality of your ad account. That's the Google ad account you are using to place the ad. So all this they put into consideration before showing your ad on a particular level. That's whether you're going to be the first or second or third, as the case may be. All right. So note very well that if your ad has a high quality score, Google is going to reduce the amount you pay per click. That means your ad is very relevant to the user, because apart from making money, one of the things that Google wants to do is to make sure that whoever comes to the search engine to look for information finds exactly what they are looking for. So Google is also in business to serve their users. That if I'm looking for an information, for instance, I go to Google and type email marketing software, I'm a user. Google wants to serve me, even though they want to make money, they want to make sure that I find exactly what I'm looking for. So even as they are serving me ads and serving me organic content, they are very conscious with their ad and of course with their organic content to make sure that I, the user, I get exactly the information I'm looking for. That is why a particular website can rank high today, organic SEO, on a particular keyword, and tomorrow they are not ranking high again. Why? Maybe because users are not spending time, they are bouncing out, within some seconds. So Google now say, okay, it's like this, people are not finding what they are looking for, they drop me, right? They drop the particular website. Then on paid, by the time they check all these criteria I've listed, they will now be able to know whether your ad is relevant to the user, and that will also determine how they show your ad. So you may actually have a lot of money to spend to pay per click, but when they check all these criteria, they will find out that maybe the keyword you are bidding for, your landing page, it doesn't connect, right? Your click-through rate doesn't connect, right? And all these things, your ad account, the quality of your ad account is very low. So even though you are paying a high amount of money per click, you are bidding for a high amount of money, they will not put you on top. They will not put you as the first website when people look for that keyword. All right, so these are important things you need to note when you are doing search engine marketing. Now, how do you get started in search engine marketing? So one beautiful thing about search engine marketing is that when you look at the paid part, right, it's instant. That's one of the beautiful things about it. It's instant. That means I can bid for a particular keyword. I can build a website today, go to Google and bid for a particular keyword and make sales today. Right? So make sales today means that if I place my ad on search and people click on my ad in line with what they are searching for, and they find what they are looking for on my website, they may buy from me from that first day. So that's one awesome thing about PPC, that's paid per click, the other side of search engine marketing. So it's very fast, right? But you must be ready to spend some money, because if you are not ready to spend some money, there's no way you can ever appear on the first page on the first day you are building a website. If it's SEO, actually, according to research, the earliest time you can appear on search engine for a particular keyword is 6 months. In fact, that 6 months is less than 20% that have ever done it. For most websites, it's actually from 1 year before they can start appearing for a particular keyword. 1 to 3 years. So SEO takes time, right? And SEM is very fast. Okay, I'm going to do another video which I will call SEO versus SEM. There, I will break things down for you. Okay, guys, so this is SEM, and I'm sure you've gotten value from this video. You now understand what is search engine marketing and how to get started. I'm sure you have gotten value from the video. If you have, remember to subscribe if you are yet to do so that you don't miss any of our video which we release every day. Remember to like the video, share the video, and if you have any comments, you can use the comment section, and I will see you again in the next video.